Hi, welcome to Excel Baby Steps. In this video, we are going to learn about how to print Excel sheets. So now that we have created a fairly large enough expense sheet, and I just have copy pasted some of the values over and over, so it looks quite big. And now my wife wants me to take a printout of this so that we could, probably file it away and maybe do some more analysis on the paper. And this is what you can do. Go to print menu, click on this little orb here, select print option, and then you have three things: print, quick print, and print preview. Since I do not have printer attached to this computer, I'm just going to show you print preview. So this is how it looks like when it is printed. Of course not that small, but this is pretty much how it is. As you can see, we are only seeing three columns. The how much column is clipped, and it will probably be part of the next page. Not even that, yeah, the page after. So that's not fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Excel to print everything in one page. You can do that from page setup, and then tell Excel scaling fit to 1 pages wide. I don't care how tall it is, so I'm just leaving the tall field blank, but I want it to be printed on 1 page wide, and then press OK. And now Excel nicely arranges everything into first page. But I see that there is a lot of space on the left side and there is little space on the right. So I want to show the margins so that I can adjust some of the margins. For example, you can place your mouse anywhere and then you can drag it like that. So I'm adjusting the left margin now, and I can adjust the right margin too, so that the space is quite even now. Okay, so that is how you can do this kind of thing in Excel. There are some other nice options in page for setup. For example, we've seen header. You can tell Excel to center everything on a page. This is quite useful if you are printing some posters or some fun announcements for your class or something like that. So you can tell Excel to horizontal and vertically center it. See what happens to this area when I click on these buttons. Horizontally will move this table to the center, vertically will move it to the vertical center. Then you can set some header and footer. For example, you could just like you would do in Word or something, you can tell header, set a header and footer. So you can add some custom header with left and center and right sections. You can add some images anywhere and things like that. Okay, and you can do that for footer as well. There are some options at the sheet level which are not enabled here because you are on print preview. You have to do that from the main worksheet. So I will show those options to you from the worksheet. Let's cancel out, close print preview, and here let us go back to page layout. Here you can say print titles. So this is one of the options. What this does is it will let you repeat some rows at the top. For example, I want to see this row, the row number 2. Select that, row number 2 at the top always. What it means is even when I'm on the second page, I will see this header. Okay, so let us see that in the print preview. Preview. So the next page, see that header is shown here. Okay, so that's what the repeat print titles would mean. You can adjust many of the print settings from this page layout page itself. You need not go anywhere. So you can set some page breaks, and you can set up the print area, which are all probably slightly advanced features, so you need not worry about them right now. What matters most is how can you print everything nicely on one page, and how can you adjust the formatting. So that's about it. Let me show you one other printing trick. Print preview. Sorry for that. Print preview, and then page setup. Here you can tell Excel whether you want it on portrait or landscape format. Okay, whatever works for you, you can choose that. You can also specify the paper size and the paint quality, and then the first page number, whether you want it to be auto or something. Okay, when you are ready, you can hit the print button and the document will be printed to the attached printer. Okay, so that's how you can print in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and this baby step in particular. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.